All right, I'd like to say welcome back to the BAW shed, but we got to go to Sydney, so grab your gear, let's go. Hang on, Toyota? Did we fly to Sydney so you can buy me a new Land Cruiser?
Yeah, nah. Come on.
Can't we at least just go and look at the new Land Cruisers? Isn't it like an hour away?
Shut up and walk, Brad.
Amy, what the hell are we doing here? Can't we just go back to Toyota?
No, we're in the right place.
Oh.
Are you excited?
No. So you bought a Ford?
Yep.
A Ford F-150?
Yeah.
After all the shit you put me through with the Land Cruiser?
You got the pictures from marketing, okay?
Yeah.
Yep, perfect. Well, we're ready to upload. We're ready to go.
Have you seen car sales lately? It's on there, so.
No, I bought it before I sold the Land Cruiser. Thanks.
Right. So which truck did Amy buy? She's actually gone with the Ford F-150 Lariat. It has a 3.5 litre V6 twin turbo petrol engine. It's got a GVM of 3220 kilograms, a GCM of 7720 kilograms, and a brake tow capacity of 4.5 tonne. Can I at least drive it?
No.
This should be good.
Better than the Land Cruiser.
Yeah, look, it's kind of nice.
I only buy nice things.
Well, Amy's decided to go to the toilet at the dealership, so I'm just taking the car for a bit of a drive and she can find her own way, get an Uber or something.
Where did Brent go?
As if I'm not going to go back and get her. I was just joking. I don't think you've thought of everything. There's no GVM for this car at all.
When do I not think of everything? So we're going to go and see someone right now that actually has a full idea on how to get this sorted.
On the next episode of BAW Automotive.
Hey, Warnie, check it out.
Yeah, bro, that's sick.
The F-Trucks down in Sydney still getting GVM stuff done, so good old Facebook Marketplace, mate. What a bargain.